For me, I'm going to leave them off. I'm going to thin shirt. I've got open. There's still a lot of these. So what's it look like, Cody, Brandon?
Rather large?
Yeah, it's crazy. They're going everywhere.
Oh no, this is no more than my size will do.
Really?
Yeah.
Who are you giving these to?
Val Tankersley? Val Seeley? Husband Val?
Okay.
I guess so.
I don't think so.